muted glow. Tires whisper secrets, soft and low. Street lights blink, a lazy cold. Underneath the wheels, the river flows. Neon drive, where the shadows meet the shine. Neon drive, through the curves of time. Lost and found in the rhythm of the line. Neon drive, your hand in mine. A saxophone sighs in smoky air, a tune from nowhere leading somewhere. The dashboard flickers, stories untold. The road ahead, a ribbon of gold. Fingers trace the edge of night, breath against the glass, dim light. Miles to go, no end in sight. But here we are, it feels so right. Neon drive, where the shadows meet the shine. Neon drive, through the curves of time. Lost and found in the rhythm of the line. Neon drive, your hand in mine. The city fades, a memory blurred. Echoes linger, not a word. Neon whispers, soft unheard. Neon drive, just the night in us. Streets hum low, a restless tune under the neon's hazy bloom. Your shadow lingers, it bends and sways like a whisper caught in alleyways. The sky spills orange, it's bruised with blue, and I wonder if you feel it too. saxophone cries in the midnight glow. Notes unravel where the rivers flow. You said the stars don't shine like this. I said they hide in a lover's kiss. The pavement cracks with stories untold. We're both just chasing streets of gold. Tell me, does the night still call your name? Does the rhythm feel the same? City lights, two hearts collide, winding paths where dreams confide. Through the noise, your voice rings clear. City lights, pull me near, pull me near. Every corner turns to you. Echoes linger deep and true. A shadow, a song, a fleeting chance. We waltz beneath the amber lamp. Neon's buzzing, the night's got teeth. Pavement hums like a heartbeat beneath. Shadows dance where the alleys meet. Clock spins round, time's a thief. Chasing you through downtown, your laughter echoes, a fleeting sound. Every corner, every street, just your shadow's what I need. Smoke curls up from a vendor's cart. The air smells sweet, but it stings my heart. I see your scarf on a passing breeze, a ghost of you in the sycamore trees. And I wonder, oh, I wonder how far you'll run, how far you'll wander. Chasing you through downtown, your laughter echoes,
My feet grow heavy, my hope runs thin.